Hey everyone, welcome back to Can CAD Channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into AutoCAD and learn how to create and then modify a new dimension style. I'll walk you through setting up the new style and customizing important features like arrow size, text height, center marks, and precision for liner dimensions. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Dimension Style Manager. The first things you want to do is open Dimension Style Manager. You can do this by navigating to the Annotate tab and click Dimension Style. Step 2. Create a new dimension style. Once the Dimension Style Manager is open, we'll create a new style. To do this, click New. In the Create New Dimension Style window, enter Floor Plan. Is the name for your style. Choose a starting point. We keep it standard as the base for this demonstration. Click Continue. Now the modified dimension style window opens, where we can start customizing the new dimension style. Step 3. Modify symbols and arrows. Now we're in modified dimension style window. Let's first navigate the Symbols and Arrow tab. We are going to set the arrow size to 200. This controls the size of the arrowheads at the ends of your dimension lines. Just click on the arrow side field and type 200. Next, we'll adjust the center of marks. We want to use marks with the size of 100 for circles and arcs. Select mark for the drop down and set the size to 100. Step 4. Modify text setting. Now let's move on the text tab. Here we can change how the dimension text appears. First, we'll set the text height to 300. This ensures the dimension text is large enough to be readable in our drawings. Just type 300 in the text height field. Now we'll set the text placement to vertical above. This makes sure the text is placed above the dimension line. Lastly, under text alignment, choose aligned with dimension line. This keeps the text aligned neatly with dimension line for better readability. Step 5. Modify primary units. Next, let's switch to the primary unit step. This way we control how the actual dimension value are displayed. For liner dimensions, we are going to set precision to 0. This will remove any decimal places from your dimensions value, which is ideal when you're working with whole numbers. Step 6. Apply the changes. Once you're happy with the setting, click OK to close the Modify Definition Style window. Back to the Dimension Style Manager. At last, click Close to exit the Dimension Style Manager. And it's all. You have successfully modified the dimension style called floor plan in AutoCAD. Now your dimension will reflect those custom settings, helping you maintain consistency and clarity in your designing. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips. Drop your comments below if you have any questions for future videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.